Are you using AI to its fullest? Probably not. It is an amazing time in artificial intelligence, but a key to this is knowing how to be the architect, the designer, so you get a result that helps you move forward. So, I'm going to walk you through some AI prompt architecture in just a few quick minutes. This is going to transform your life and those around you. All right. First thing to think about is it's like a recipe. For those of us that perhaps like to cook, it's a little bit like jumping in and saying you've got 10 ingredients and choosing 4 to 6 ingredients to use in today's recipe. Tomorrow, you're going to use a different 4 to 6 ingredients in what you're going to make tomorrow or this afternoon, right? AI prompting is nothing more than using different ingredients. So let's dig in. This is the critical thinking you need to learn to use, teach your team, teach your kids, teach your family members. This is going to help you get a better end result. Now, these are 10 options that you can use. You won't use them every time. You will likely want to start with assigning a role or a persona. Start by telling AI who to act like as a marketing strategist, as a physician, as a CPA or a financial planner, as a nutritionalist, right? So many ways we can get AI to help us in our day to day lives and in our business. But start with prefacing who should AI be taking the role of in researching and giving you a response. Then, number two, provide some context. Just a little bit of the why behind your request will frame the output so much stronger. Then pick a few others. You don't need to use all of these. Try to state the task or the goal, what the end product is that you want. Do you want a spreadsheet, an image? Do you want a diagram? What is it you want it to create for you? And be detailed wherever possible. Give me 3 versions. Show me 10 websites or URLs that are authoritative, right? Give it precise instructions, and wherever possible, pop a little example in. Maybe it's a screenshot from something else you've created, something you saw on a website. That will go a long way to, again, giving you that end product that's closer to what you want. So, whether you're using ChatGPT, Manus, Claude, Perplexity, any of the different programs out there today, and these will keep evolving, AI prompt architecture will not go away. You're still going to need to learn to use some critical thinking skills to assess what it is we want so you get a better output. Now, number 10 there, always treat the prompt as a first draft. And you can even ask it, help me build a stronger prompt. And then go again, try, reiterate and ask it what should be next steps. How can I streamline this process? How can I automate this process? What else AI can you do to help me with this? Ask how can you be more environmentally friendly with the plan? How can you build a timeline or a project management plan? Always take that next step. Don't just stop with the first iteration. All right, have fun, build, think of yourself as the designer, the architect, the person in the kitchen putting together these amazing ingredients to create amazing AI outputs. Have fun.